Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to remove your song or music on Instagram post. So without wasting any more time, let's just explore the process. The first thing what I want you to do is go and open your Instagram. So select one of your posts whose music that you want to edit. So here, as you can see, right beside your username of the post, you can see a three dotted like icon. Tap on it and then go for edit options. As you can see, you have no options such as edit music or delete music or anything like that. Basically, there's no any option related to music. So this means that you cannot edit or remove your song or music that you have once posted your picture with, because Instagram does not have this feature. But you can add, remove or edit your locations if you want to. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks and social media hacks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.